Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and my subject is mathematics. And this online lecture is for the class 2. So today, let's start our online lecture, mathematics lecture. And this is for the class 2. Now, as you know this thing that we always begin our lecture with the quote. So today also we start our lecture with the quote. So see the quote that mistakes are proof that you are trying. What this quote are saying that if you are trying something, so you will make mistakes. But if you are not doing anything, you will not make mistakes. So mistake is a proof that you are doing something, you are trying something. So mistake are the proof that you are trying to do something. Mistakes are that proof. So if you are doing mistakes, so it indicates that you are trying to do something. For example, if you are just try to do addition and you will get the wrong answer, so that wrong answer indicates that you try to add the numbers. It's okay that you get the wrong answer, but this indicates that you try to add the numbers. So this way, that mistakes are proof that you are trying. Now we are in the chapter number 1, and the name of the chapters is numbers up to 200. What is the name of this chapter? Numbers up to 200. So first of all, let's do revision first of the previous topic. What we will do? Let's do revision first of the previous topic, that numbers 101 to 200, and then we are moving to the next topic, the new topic. But let's do the revision first. Revision is compulsory for you all. Whatever we are doing in the Google Meet or in the video, please do revision. Revision is the compulsory. Now let's start the revision. So in the previous lecture we had done the numbers 101 to 200. What we had done in the previous lecture? Numbers 101 to 200. And you have to write down that numbers in the fair book. Now this we had done question number 3 in the previous lecture. So let's revise this number again, and then we are moving to the next topic. So some numbers are given and the other remaining numbers we have to write down. So some numbers are given, almost other numbers we have to write down by ourselves. Now let's start with the number 101. This number is given. Then 102, this number is also given. Then 103, this number is also given. Then the next number after 103 is 104. After this 105. After this 106. After this 107. After this 108. After this the number 109. And the next number 110 is given. So after 110, the next number 111 will come. Which number will come after 110? So the next number after 110, the number 111 will come. So after 111, the next number 112 will come. Then after 112, the number next is 113. Then the next after 130, it will be a 114. After 114, the next will be 115. Just remember, just speak the number 115, not 50. You have to speak 15, because if you speak 50, it will be a 150. But here we are writing 115, it means 115. So after 115, it will be a 116. Then next, after 160, the next number is already given, which is 117. After 170, the next number is 118. Then next, after 118, the next number is 119. The next number after 119, the number 120 is given. After 120, the next number is 121. What is the next number? 121. The next is 122. After this, the next number is 123. What is the next number? 123. After this, 124. What is the next number? 124. After this, 125 number will come. After this, 126. Which number will come? 126. After it, 127 number will come. Then the next is 128. What is the next number? 128. After it, 129 number will come. After it, 130 number will come. Then after it, 130, the next number is 131. Which is the next number? 131. Then the next is 132. The next is 133. What is the next? Then 133. After it, 134. Then 135. Then next one is 136. Then next is 137. Then the next number is 138. Then next is 139. After it, the number 140 will come. Then after 140, the next number is 141. Then the next is 142. Then the next after 142, it will be a 143. Then after 144, then the next number is already given, which is 145. Then the next is 146. After it, 147. Then the next 148. Then next is 149. After it, the number 150 will come. Then the next one is 151. After this, 152 will come. Then after 153. After 153, the next is 154. After 154, it will be a 155. After it, 156. Then next is 157. Then next is 158. After it, 159. Then next is 160. Now after 160, the next number is 161. Then the next number is 162. Now after 162 it will be a 163. After 163 the next number is 164. After this the next number is 165. Then after 165 the next number is 166. Then after 166 the next number will be 167. Then after 167 the next number is already given, which is 168. Then after next the number is 169. After 169 the next number will be 170. The next number is 171. Then the next number is 172. Then the next number is 173. After this the next number is 174. After this the next number is 175. Then the next number is 176. After it the next number is 177. Then the next number is after 177 is 178. Then the next number is 179. Then after 180 number will come. Then after 180 the next number is 181. Then after 181 the next number is already given, which is 182. After 182 the next number is 183. After 183 the next number is 184. Then the next number is 185. Then the next number is 186. Then the next number is 187. After this the number next is 188. Then the next number is 189. And after this the next number is 190. Now after this the next number is 191, which is the next number 191. Then the next number is 192. After 192 the next number is 193. Now after this 193 the next number is 194, which is the next number 194. After 194 the next number is 195. Then next is 196. Then the next number is 197. After it the next number is 198. At the last the next number is 199. And the last number is already given, which is 200, which is the next number 200. So this number we already had done in the previous lecture. So if you still not write these numbers in the fair book, so please note down in the fair book. Now this is the textbook exercise. Now use the table in question number 3. It means we have to use this table to solve this question number 4. Use the table in question number 3 for writing the answer. But this answer is very easy. Before you solve any types of question, you must read and must look for the any instruction. What you are looking for? Always looking for the instruction, if any instruction is given or not. Now the question number A, complete the pattern of numbers. Just do focus on the heading, this instruction, complete the pattern of numbers. So we have to complete this given numbers. pattern. See, 110, 120. See here, 110, 120. Here 130, 140. This way we have to complete this number pattern. What we have to complete? This number pattern. 110, 120. These two numbers are given. Then the next, after 120, it will be a 130. Then after 130, the next number is 140. Which number will come next? After 130, the next number will come is 140. Then after 140, the next number is 150. It means 150. 140, 150. Then the next will be 160. What will be the next? The next will be 160. Then next is after 160, it will be a 170. So this way we have to complete this number pattern. Now let's read this again. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. So this way we have to complete this number pattern. So I request to you all that please give the heading question number 4. Use the table in question number 3 for writing the answer, and then the sub question of question number 4. The A. Give this heading with some big handwriting, little big handwriting. Complete the pattern of numbers. Just give this heading. Complete the pattern of numbers and then write down these numbers. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, then the last 170. So just write down this in the fair book, that is compulsory for you all. Now the next one, question number B. So let's read the heading first. What the instructions are given. So the instruction is, give the number that comes after. What is the instruction? That give the numbers that come after. So here is number 1. That 117. What is the number 1? 117. So after 117, the next number will come, which is 118. What is the next number after 117? So the next number after 117 is 118. So please write down answer if you having textbook. If you don't have textbook, so please write down in the fair book. Now the 129. The next number 2 is 129. So after 129, the next number is 130. Which is the next number after 129? So the next number is 130. Now the number 3, which is 176. Which is the next number? 176. So after 176, the next number is 177. Which is the next number after 176? The next number is 177. Then next, number 4, 199. So after 199, the next number will be 200. What is the next number? The next number after 199, it will be a 200. Then question number C. So I request to you all that please give the heading number B and just write down this instruction. To write down instruction is a compulsory for you all, and then write down these 4 answers and questions. Now let's go for number C. So number C is give the number that comes before. What is the instruction? What is the question? Give the numbers that comes before. Now number 1. So answer space is given. Now before 105, which number will come before? So before 105, the next number will be 104. What is the next number? Sorry, before number. Before 105, the number is 104. So this way we have to write down the before numbers. Then number 2, we have to write down the number before 144. So which number will come before 144? So before 144, the number is come, which is 143. Which number will come before 144? So the number 143 is come. So this way we have to complete these answers. Now number 3. So we have to write down 197. Which number comes before it? It means the before number of 197. The before number of 197 is 196. Which number will come before 197? So it will be a 196. Before 197, the next number will come is 196. Now the next one, let's write down the before number of 150. Here we are talking about the next number of 150, the before number. So the before 150, the number will come is 149. Which number will come before 150? So the number 149 will come before 150. Now this question A, B and C. So I request to all the students to complete this in the fair book with the instruction. And question you have to write down, and that is compulsory for you all. Now the next number, let's do it. The question number 5. So here also we are going to read the question. Now try to read the questions by yourself, then I will read it for you. Just try to read the heading first. So the heading is give the numeral for the following number names. What is the heading? That give the numeral for the following number names. So the number names are given in this, and we have to write down this in the number form. So one has been done for us. See, number A is already had done. So the number is number A 140. See, this number is written in the word 140. So how to write 140? This way, 1 140. This way we can write down the number 140. This one has been done for us. Then the number B, 121. What is the next one? Number B is 121. So how we can write down 121 in number? So we can write down in number 121. This way we can write down the numbers 121. It means 121. So this way we have to complete this question 121. So we write 121. We can read it 121. Then number C is 107. Here it is. I just zoom it for you. 107. Here it is. Number C. So how we can write down 107? So we can write down 107 this way. 107. This way we can write down 107 in the numeral form. It means in the numbers. 107. So we can write down 107. Now number D, which is 137. In number D is 137. So how we can write down 137? So we can write down 137 this way. 137. This way we can write down 137. And how to write in names? This is already given. 137. We have to write down in both the ways. Number names is given and number we have to write. 137 and the number 137 is already given. Then number E, which is 119. What is the next? 119. So how we can write down 119 in numbers? So we can write down 119 in number this way. 119. It means 119. This way we have to write down the numbers. 119. 119. Then the last one 110. What is the last one? Number F. 110. So how we can write down 110? So 110. This way we can write down the numeral form. 110. The name is already written and we have to write down the number 110 and we can write it 110. Now how we can write down in the fair book? You have to write down this with the good handwriting. Your handwriting must be neat and clean. Your fair book must be neat and clean. Just make your handwriting good and just write down this question number 4, A, B and C, and then question number 5. This you have to compulsory note down in the fair book. So please, I request to you all, the students, to write down this exercise in the fair book. This is exercise 1A. So please write down this exercise in the fair book and please also do revision of it. Maybe these types of question will come in the exam. So please do revision, write down in the fair book. That is compulsory for you all. And if you having any doubt regarding this topics or any questions, so you can ask me in the Google Meet. Then nowadays you are not coming to school, so please do revision. By doing revision you will just get a good result. So please do this in the homework. Now students, thank you so much for watching this video. Now please do homework and thank you. Have a nice day.